Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Can-Am SPYDER F3 SE6 Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 8,129 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. The front left and front right tire are both at 6/30 seconds, and we've installed the new rear tire. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scuffs on the side of the left fender and blemishes on the right saddlebag. This trike has a toolkit and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Can-Am windshield, upper fairing fog lights, and passenger armrests. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.